Good morning from beautiful Orlando. It's our last day today and I'm really sad about it because we've had such a fabulous time. But I thought before I go I would just do a few vlogs that I thought might be quite handy. The first one is going to be this one, which is a walk around at the Grove Resort where we're staying, because I just couldn't find anything on YouTube to cover what it actually looked like inside, and it's fabulous. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around so you can have a look and see the facilities here. This is the lake. And I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough of the water park. There's the big chutes there, 2 big chutes. Flow rider, surfing lessons. So this is one of my favourite things in all of the Grove. Get your key card, beep, open the door, grab all the towels you want for the pool without having to dry them or wash them yourself. And when you're done, put them in there. Love it. And then if you walk further up around the lake, there's some other lovely bits. This is little Hammock Cove, which is just lots of lovely hammocks to lie down on when it's really hot. So up here is another smaller pool. The girls actually prefer this one. This is the springs. It's got a little splash play bit for the kids. And then there's another 3 sort of smaller pools, much quieter than the big water park. So in here we have a huge storage closet in there, and then you come around here and it's a full kitchen, full American fridge freezer, dishwasher, microwave, Keurig coffee machine, which, by the way, when you stay at the apartment they give you free coffee, but it's really, really weak, so we bought Lavazza from the Publix supermarket. My favourite bit is in here, which is full-size washer and dryer. Lovely. The girls are in this bedroom. See if I can, oh no, I can't do that like that. So they're in this bedroom, which has got a lovely double bed, loads of drawer space. They've got their own door out onto the balcony. Another huge walk-in closet here in their room. Loads of space, full-length mirror. And they have their own bathroom in here. So that's a single sink, toilet, bath with shower overneath. It's just massive. And then dining table and chairs, lounge area, telly, and then the other door to the balcony, which looks out onto the water park and the lake. Lovely. And then this is the master bedroom. Most comfortable bed in the universe. The suitcases, which I could cry about because I don't want to go home. This is clever, look. This clever little clock, you can plug a USB port right in so you don't have to bring adapters with you. Which is quite handy. Telly in the bedroom. And then this ridiculously oversized but fabulous bathroom. So his and her sinks in there, huge bath, massive walk-in shower, And then down here in this room is the toilet. And then down here is another massive load of storage with a safe, an ironing board, and iron. And there is also a hairdryer. It's not very powerful, I warn you now. So if you're used to your 2000 watt power dryer, I would bring your own with you. But that's it, fabulous. So this is a 2-bedroom superior apartment, and we couldn't have been more happier. Hey, it's Lou. If you've just watched one of my videos and you found it even remotely entertaining or informative, can I ask a huge favour? Could you possibly click the subscribe button wherever it may be around your screen? It's just that subscribers are kind of our indicators to know whether to carry on making video or whether to just not bother. If you're watching this embedded, you can find us on YouTube at Lou Spout Stuff. Okay, thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.